gonna blow up?
No, tires will blow up, but that's it. Yeah, they're full of air. So.
I'll tell you about taking the
Not hard to say. I'm just waiting for the gas to light up.
That's right. That's what I was thinking about.
My two tires are already lighting on fire.
Fuck you.
I gotta go find my drive.
Couple rockers. Big Kruger! Big Kruger to the front deck, please! Come on, Jake! Fucking go up a little bit! Sing that to me, big boy!
Yeah.
That tire to get hot enough to pop. Not yet.
That's what I'm wondering if
There you go. Where's Amy? She knows how to shake it. Amy!
There it goes. Yep. There's the tire.
come on, James! Get it on!
There we go.
Holy
Yeah.
shit.
That was on some gas.
That'll toast your body. I got hot. Yeah.
Doesn't that normally happen when you get later on in life? Hot flashes and stuff?
I'm an old fogey. Hey, hot flash and stuff. Is that all that's going to happen with it?
Yep.
Nothing more exciting?
Nothing more exciting.
That's cool to watch it all burn. Now it's just going to burn, melt, and
Yeah, deform. It'll be a big pile of rusted tin in the morning.
That could still be that fucking